Hey guys, for today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Here it goes. First we're going to start off with an old twist out. If you have seen my video about protective hairstyles for natural hair, you will know that this is how I typically wear my hair to work. So we're going to go ahead and take these twist outs and turn it into a braid out. All you literally have to do is pull out these twists. You don't have to fluff them or anything. You're just gonna pull them out, moisturize them if need be, and you're gonna go ahead and put them into plaits. Because I love me a big fluffy afro and I don't really care about frizz, I'm gonna be doing pretty big plaits. But if you want your afro to be more defined and your curls to be tighter, you're gonna go ahead and do smaller plaits and probably apply a bit more products such as leave-in conditioner or moisturizer just to give you that defined look. Now, for the most important part of this look, if your hair is anything like mine, whatever direction you put it in, that's how it's gonna fall. So you wanna make sure that you do these plaits coming towards the front of your face so that the afro falls and, frames your face very well. I don't know. Should I do 1, 2 braids? I'ma do 1. Shit. Let's see. Damn. Should I have done 1? Now I'm feeling like this braid's a little bit too big. Oh, girl, what is you doing? I don't know. You know what? We're gonna just go with it. Hopefully it doesn't come out as a fail and it looks right. We gon' see. So once you're done doing your plaits, this is what your braid should look like. You should already see how your hair is gonna frame your face. And when you take it out, you should have a beautiful round afro. After sleeping with it for one night, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out these plaits, and you're basically gonna follow the typical steps of any regular old braid out. You're just gonna go ahead and pull out the plait and fluff it however you usually do, and let's see how this goes. The moment of truth is here. We're gonna see if this front plait is gonna come out good, if it was actually a little bit too big, or if it was the perfect size. Okay. It actually came out pretty good. I'm impressed. Next, we're gonna go ahead and grab the afro pick, and this is all left up to your personal desires. It depends on how big you want your afro to be. Once you're done, if you end up with way too much hair in your face, you can go ahead and use something to put it up. You can use bobby pins or you can even use a bandana. I'm going to use Old Faithful. I'm going to use the bandana that I usually use to put on my afro puffs. And I'm just going to have it right there at the base of my head just to get my hair out my face just a little bit. Now that that's done, you see that the hair still falls like I wanted it to, and it's still framing my face very well, but I can see now. Even though it might be simple, I am loving this look. And this is the dance that you do whenever your hair comes out right, because like most naturals know, It doesn't always cooperate, so it's like, thank you, girl. Thank you. And the category is Afrocentric realness. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you love my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and support your girl. And thanks for watching, guys.